This Google strategy might be the answer to your prayers if you've been searching for a straightforward means to generate income on the web. The best thing is that you don't have to have any expertise or specialized knowledge to get started. Welcome back to Cash Collect. In this video, we will explore and learn about this interesting Google strategy if you're interested in learning how to generate money online and take charge of your financial destiny. Even if you have no prior experience, you may follow the simple instructions we provide and make up to $300 per hour from the comfort of your own home or anywhere else in the globe. I want to make sure you understand something before we get into this innovative internet money-making strategy. It's fantastic that this strategy isn't exclusive to the English-speaking world or the United States. You can significantly boost your earnings potential if you widen your horizons and advertise to a global clientele. Carefully consider the implications. There are billions of individuals all across the world, each with its own set of priorities and linguistic preferences. By penetrating these areas, you may have access to a far wider audience and additional online money-making possibilities. And it's always interesting and enlightening to meet folks from diverse walks of life and cultures. Hence, don't confine yourself to a single target demographic, but rather push the boundaries of your comfort zone and enter the wide world of internet commerce. If you put in the time and effort to learn as much as possible about your target market, you may create a thriving internet business that attracts customers from all over the world. Let's go right into the tutorial I prepared for you today. First, visit gocharlie.ai. To get started, let's go ahead and create GoCharlie account. Let me enlighten you on this medium if you haven't heard of it before. GoCharlie Artificial Intelligence is a fantastic tool made to assist companies to increase their visibility on the web and climb the SERPs. In today's digital world, it is crucial for firms to have a robust online presence. Having this advantage can be the difference between gaining new clients and seeing them defect to a rival. Now, let's talk about the inner workings of GoCharlie.ai. For starters, it caters to each company's individual requirements by producing SEO-friendly content. Because of this, companies may acquire material tailored specifically to bring in the kind of people most likely to become paying customers. Companies may benefit from AI since it aids in the production of content that is not only interesting and instructive, but also well-suited for search engine optimization. As is well known, a higher search engine position may increase exposure, which in turn can boost revenue. GoCharlie.ai has an affiliate program, therefore the second step is to join. No longer will we be direct users of GoCharlie, rather we will serve as an affiliate for the service. In your capacity as a GoCharlie.ai affiliate, you will have the opportunity to profit from recommending the service to companies who may use it. Obtaining your own personal affiliate link to promote GoCharlie.ai to potential customers is as easy as signing up for the program. Simply said, you will receive a commission if a firm subscribes to GoCharlie.ai by means of your affiliate link. GoCharlie.ai is not only a fantastic site to advertise as an affiliate, but also an extremely helpful tool for businesses aiming to expand their internet visibility. Providing high-quality, optimized content helps businesses improve website traffic, establish credibility with their target demographic, and eventually, income. Please know that signing up as an affiliate is a quick and painless procedure that shouldn't cause you any undue anxiety. Visit the GoCharlie.ai homepage and look toward the footer to see the button. A Become an Affiliate link will be visible after you arrive. Click it. A page detailing the affiliate program's features and advantages will load next. Read this through to make sure it's something you're interested in, and if you are, click the sign up button below to continue. Use this link to access the account creation page. Simply provide your name, email address, and password of your choosing to proceed with account setup. You'll also need to detail your plans for promoting GoCharlie.ai so that we can take advantage of those channels. Click the Submit button once you've finished filling out the form. You have been accepted as a GoCharlie.ai affiliate. After signing up, the GoCharlie.ai team will send you an email with instructions on how to access your affiliate dashboard and monitor your profits. GoCharlie.affiliate AI's program allows you to promote the platform to companies in exchange for a cut of the revenue generated. In order to properly credit you for your referrals, GoCharlie.ai requires you to provide them with this URL. Affiliate links may be found in the Marketing Materials section of your affiliate dashboard. In this section, you'll find a selection of enticing GoCharlie.ai advertising tools, such as banner ads and branded images. The Get Affiliate Link button makes it easy to grab your unique link for use in marketing. Using this, you can quickly create a personalized link to promote GoCharlie.ai, which you can then use anywhere you choose. The third step is to look for English to Spanish translations of relevant keywords for local businesses on Google. You may begin pursuing new consumers after you've joined the GoCharlie.ai affiliate program, and we'll be employing old reliable Google to help us out here. This method's greatness lies in the fact that it can be applied across borders and language barriers. Your odds of discovering people who might benefit from using GoCharlie.ai rise as you expand your search to include more nations and languages. One great place to begin is by entering some English keywords linked to local companies into Google Translate and receiving the resulting translation in the language of the nation you're interested in expanding into. As an illustration, we'll utilize Spanish here. Take Malaga, Spain as an example. You could want to advertise to fitness centers there. A good place to start would be to use Google Translate to convert gym in Malaga to Spanish. Gimnasio en Malaga is the literal translation. Finding Spanish language companies that aren't doing well in Google searches is the fourth step. The next step is to test your Spanish translated keywords on Google.es. This is the Spanish version of Google. You may find that not all businesses catering to the Spanish-speaking market appear high in the search results when you use these terms in your queries. You can do a lot of good by showing them the GoCharlie.ai platform and advising them on how to boost their internet visibility. If you're an affiliate of GoCharlie.ai, you can earn a commission by introducing the platform to businesses and explaining how it may help them. Using AI's affiliate program, you may aid the company in reaching its goals of increasing website traffic and eventually sales, while also benefiting financially from the program yourself. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by merely doing this Google trick.